It's the recast version and the original version. I believe nobody has reviewed and compared this great figure of Android 16. Good day, my fellow Dragon Ball figure collectors. Today I'm very happy to unboxing this recast version of the Grandista scale Martin Z. This is the original version and this is the recast or bootleg version. So let's compare it. Definition of original for me personally is someone who create or produce it, because it's basically doesn't have any license from Bandai or Toei or Dragon Ball, so this one has no license. Actually both have no license, but this one is, for me personally, it's the original one and this one is the recast one. And one more thing, it's quite special because I already have permission from Martin to review his original production and compare it with the recast version. So check this one out. Unboxing time. So yeah, nothing quite extraordinary for this one. It's basically just cardboard, nothing special, but it's quite huge, as we know that it's a huge one. Heavy. There we go. Wow. What do you think, guys? I'm not sure what this is. Probably just like glue tack or something. There we go. It's quite nice. Well, my first impression is, yeah, it's nice, especially for the price. Let's see if he can stand without the glue tack. Yeah, we don't really need this one, so not really. Maybe it can be useful one day. And for the size, as we all know that bootleg mostly has different size compared to the original one. This one is a bit smaller or shorter than the original one. Well, actually Martin stated that this Android 16 is 42 centimeters, and actually I have measured him a couple months ago and 42 centimeters. It's approximately around 42 centimeters, and this one is around 41 centimeters, so lacking of 1 centimeters. There you go. Hopefully we can see it in the video. Okay. So first is size. How about the color? Repainted by a local artist from Indonesia, and he did amazing job. His name is Kiki Naren's figure. Yeah, so I bought this one unpainted and Kiki painted this amazingly. He did a great job. This one, the color is also okay for me. It has shedding. Well, especially about the price, it's pretty good one. It's resin based, molded resin, and this one is PVC, basically plastic, but it's very hard plastic, and I gotta be honest, it's quite good. Another thing, the quality of the figure itself. The head, it has like line. Plasticky and has line. Also in here, it also has line, plastic line in here as well. So yeah, it's not perfect, but you know, considering the price, you like it, guys. But again, here I am not really supporting buying bootleg version or recast version, because yeah, we have to support the original creator, especially Akira Toriyama and the company who has license for this. So, but again, it's your money and you have the decision for yourself. For perfection, absolutely the original one. But if you're on a budget, this one is considerably very cheap compared to this one. In my country, it's around 60 bucks, while this one, including the shipment and the painting, it's around 500 US dollars. So 500 and let's say just 50 USD. The quality is obviously this one is better. The color is this one is also better. The price, this one is better. How about the details? The details, the eyes is quite off. I can show you in the next shot. Other differences, it came in one, oh no, it's actually two, but this one came separately. I mean, the hair, the head, the hand, the leg, separated, but as suggested by Kiki from Naren's figure, he suggested to me that I should put this in two parts. This is the molded resin, so I have to be more careful with this. Oh, you guys want to see from the back? I'll give you the detailed shot after this. But Martin, you did a really great job in producing this. I'm a proud owner of your original creation. Alright, before we move to the close-up shot of these two Android 16 Grandista scale from Martin Z, let's see the comparison of the weight. 2.3 kilos, 1.9 kilo for the recast version. So it's still heavy, but not as heavy as the original one. Okay. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video and if you really think that this video is quite helpful, especially for you guys to make decision between buying the original or buying the recast version, just make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more video. I personally suggest you guys to buy the original one, but I'm not sure if Martin's still producing this Android 16 or not, but just check his website or his Instagram or his Facebook out. And this one, it's available online, considerably cheaper, way cheaper than this one. But if you guys look for perfection, again, I strongly suggest this one. But if he's out of your budget and you can afford it, so this one is quite a good alternative for you guys to buy. Yeah, both are great figure. It depends on your budget and your personal taste. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye. Kamehameha.